Who is Muhammad Ali Mirza? Muhammad Ali Mirza famous words. The damage has been done. Muhammad Ali Mirza, commonly known as Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza, is a Pakistani Muslim scholar, commentator, and a preacher. Muhammad Ali Mirza was born on October 4, 1977 in Jhelum, a city in Punjab, Pakistan. Academic qualification: Bachelor's of Science Mechanical Engineer. He is a 19th grade mechanical engineer in a government department. Field of research: Holy Quran and Sahih Hadiths. Interest and objective: Dawat-e-Islam and unity of Ummah. Occupation: General Manager, Grade 19, Defense Ministry, Government of Pakistan. Hometown: Jhelum City, Punjab. Who is Muhammad Ali? Motivational speaker. Muhammad Ali is not only a teacher, but also a trainer, educator, and motivational speaker. He received his BS in Mechanical Engineering from Ghulam Ishaq Khan Institute of Engineering and Sciences, GIKI. Mr. Ali dedicated his life to bring about productivity in lives of youth. Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza is a true Muslim and he never made any sect. In fact, he hates sectism. He always follows the Holy Quran and the authentic sayings of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza is among the few Islamic scholars and researcher working towards the propagation of true Islamic principles and the unity of Muslim Ummah based on solutions from Quran and Sunnah regardless of any sect or school of thought. In his quest, he spent time with almost all the sects studying their books, concluding that if a person wants success in this life and hereafter he must follow the true teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
तो शायद आपको कामयाबी होती वो भी शायद है क्योंकि अल्लाह की जब मदद साथ होती है तो फिर तो कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता। बाकी मैं इसमें अर्ज कर दूं कि ये बात लोग जो हमें मशवरा दे रहे हैं ना कि जी वो जो हालात वाकयात बड़े हैं जी आप मुल्क छोड़ जाएं ये कर दें, मेरे भाई ये आप किसी इस जोन में ना रहिएगा। मुल्क छोड़ के क्या, ये लोग सब कुछ छोड़ के जाएंगे। ये इनके बाप का मुल्क है कि छोड़ के चले जाएं? इनको पता ही नहीं मेरी तबीयत का। ये इस चक्कर में थे कि हम ये करेंगे तो ये ठंडा पड़ जाएगा। अल्लाह दे बंदे हो, ये ठंडे वो पैंदे ने जो अवाम के टुकड़ों पे पलते हैं, जो सैकड़ों लोगों को अपनी जेब से रोटी खिलाते हैं, वो ऐसे नहीं होते। ये गरीब नवाज जो लोग होते हैं उनका एटीट्यूड ये नहीं होता। ठीक है, आप लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि अल्लाह ताला ने आपको वास्ता किस बंदे के साथ डाला है, अभी तक नहीं पता चला आपको। और दूसरा मैं ये बात आपको बता दूं कि द डैमेज हैज बीन डन। जो मैं अपनी जिंदगी में आपके फिरकों के साथ कर सकता था ना, वो मैं आज की डेट में कर चुका हूं। जो डैमेज आपको पहुंचना था आपके सदियों के खड़े हुए फिरकों को, वो पहुंच चुका है। अब इस डैमेज की रिकवरी का मेरी जिंदगी या मेरे मुल्क में रहने या ना रहने से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है।
Which are preserved and available in the shape of Quran and Sahih Hadith. According to him, no sect is completely wrong and at the same time not totally correct. There are controversies that have developed due to the scholars of the relevant sects defending their ideologies and hiding the truth from their followers. Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza highlights and corrects these controversial issues with true references of Quran and Sahih Hadith. Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza does not consider any sect as kafir except Qadiani, offshoot of Sunni school of thought, and Nasari, offshoot of Shia school of thought. May it be Sunni, Shia, Wahhabi, Deobandi, Barelvi, Ali Hadith, or whatever the names given to different sects of Islam, he considers all of them as Muslims and offer prayers behind them. Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza advises his listeners not to quarrel with the followers of different sects, instead promote true Islam based on Quran and Sahih Hadith. Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza has high respect for all the scholars of different sects like Maulana Tariq Jamil, Maulana Ilyas Quadri, Maulana Ilyas Guman, Javed Ahmed Gamdi, Maulana Ishaq Madani, Sheikh Zubair Ailzai, Dr. Israr, Dr. Tahir al-Quadri, Mufti Hanif Qureshi and others. However, if there is any objection in the light of Quran and Hadith, it is to be highlighted with respect and relevant references. Assassination attempts. On March 14, 2021, Ali survived a second assassination attempt, first in 2017. The attacker visited his Quran Academy in Jhelum, Pakistan at weekly meeting and attempted to kill him with a knife while taking a picture with him. Ali escaped with minor injuries. Police arrested 2 suspects and registered an FIR against them. The attacker traveled from Lahore to Jahlam to kill Muhammad Ali Mirza. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel World History Breakers and press the bell icon.